Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today we will make winter special healthy vegetable khichdi. People make it different ways, also I do. But today I am going to share with you little different. This is my all-time favorite khichdi. So keep watching this video till the end step by step how I make it. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications. We are going to make the khichdi in the pressure cooker. So keep it on medium to high heat. I am adding mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil or ghee. About half tablespoon mustard oil. If you don't like mustard oil, you can use any cooking oil or ghee. Definitely I will use ghee, but I will add later. Once oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chili, pinch of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 medium size roughly chopped onion, red onion, 2 teaspoon grated garlic, 2 teaspoon grated ginger, fry them for few seconds only. If you will half fry the onion for khichdi, it will taste better. Now I am adding 100 grams roughly chopped carrot, 2 medium sized diced potato, 150 grams cauliflower, 100 grams green beans, you don't fry them too long. Here I have taken half cup of white butana or white peas and half cup of green butana or green peas. But it's optional, as I told you, sometimes I make khichdi different ways. This is one of them. You don't want to boil them separately. You can add them directly in the khichdi, but wash and soak them in hot water for 20 minutes. Now we'll add white butana, green butana, 1 medium size roughly chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix them very well in the masala. One third cup green peas. This is frozen green peas. I have taken half cup masoor dal, half cup moong dal and half cup sona masuri rice. You can also use basmati rice, but I prefer sona masuri because it's good for heart. I have already washed and soaked the dal and rice for 20 minutes, but you don't need to soak the dal and rice in hot water. Now I am adding moong dal, masoor dal and rice. Some kind of khichdi I need to use the basmati rice, but not every time. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons salt to taste. Mix them very well. Pinch of garam masala, 1/3 cup chopped coriander leaves, 2 slitted green chilies. Now we'll add water. This is not hot water and lukewarm water, don't worry. I have added 1 cup of water. Now I am adding half more cup water. Mix it gently. Cover it with lid. We need only 3 whistles, but keep it on medium heat. Turn off the flame now and wait for 10 minutes to release the steam. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check the khichdi. Wow, nice aroma. I'm adding half teaspoon ghee. Stir it gently. If you like thin khichdi, then add some water and leave it on very low heat for few more minutes, then serve it. Our khichdi is ready, so let's dish out. Hope you like this winter special healthy vegetable khichdi. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.